Well, now we are based on daily chart. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart, still we are within this move. There is no much changes. Now we move to forward chart. Okay, based on forward chart, if we refer back to my last video, we had the buy setup from here. No, we shouldn't be in trade later. Based on 1 hour chart, I will explain about that. Okay, now the things is based on forward chart. We need to highlight, talk about these lines, whether this two trend line is still valid or not. If yes, then we can expect the price to drop. That means we will be within this move. This is the one of the option. The another option is that this two is not valid because as we can see the way is moving. How about if this is the only correction is here because of this two, and we can put this one, we can put this one as a correction in relative to this and this. How about if we have this option? That means if we have this, then still we can look for the continuation. Okay, this is what we will have here. That means we will have both option. Okay, now the thing is whether we should follow based on this is the only correction, or we will have this. Okay, if we follow this, that means again what we expect the price should drop. Okay, and if we move our trend line to here, that means this is the only correction as I explained. That means still we can expect this one for the continuation. Okay, now the reason I mentioned about this to know, we need to know how we can trade from here. Okay, if I move to lower time frame, okay, as I mentioned in my last video, we had the buy setup here. Anyone is in the buy, there shouldn't be, we should take out the trade. Okay, and we shouldn't be in this trade anymore, whether with the break even or the small profit. Now the thing is, how are we going to trade for the next? Okay, again, if we keep this trend line as what we have right now, that means we can expect the price to drop. We can look for sell. If not, if I move this one to here, then here still that means we can look for buy. If we go with the second option, that means whether we can have entry above this or whether we can look for this as a correction. How deep it can go, we are not sure. Still we can look for buy. It depends on the traders which one they will consider and how they want to trade. But for me, the only way I will look for buy if the price drop quite a lot, and not the quite a lot, a bit more, at least to come to somewhere around this. Then from there, if I get any buy setup, I will take the buy. Okay, if I want to look for buy, that means if I want to trade, I will wait for this correction to confirm before I take the trade. Okay, whether for buy or sell. Right now I'm talking about the buy, and having entry above this if we want to look for buy in case the price sharply move also can be option. But if you want to trade this, really we need to have a proper management, because if the price tag and this is not moving, we take out, because the possibility the price can reverse to this because of the big trend line I draw there. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup here. Just mention if you want to look for buy, I mentioned for the both option. And for sell, I don't think we can sell right now unless the price move, give a sharp move, a correction, maybe we can consider. But right now we don't have any trade, any option for the sell. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup right now. We just follow the chart. If I see any update, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.